How to fix search bar not working on TikTok. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can fix the TikTok search bar not working. So without any delay, let's just jump right into the solutions and fix our issue. So first thing is check your TikTok service if it is down or not. If it is not, what you can do is go ahead and close your TikTok application and again open it up and see if that works or not. Another thing is you need to go ahead and update your TikTok to the latest version. So go ahead and open up your Play Store first, and after that you need to go to the search bar. Go ahead and type in TikTok in the search bar, and if there is any update available, just update a TikTok to the latest version. After that, if you want to fix the TikTok search bar not working, the other method we can apply is clearing of the cache of the app. For that, long press on the app and go to the info section. And once that is done, scroll down and go to storage. After that, go ahead and clear the cache, and that should do it. Also check your network connection because that may be the issue, but for now these are the methods you can apply up in order to fix your search bar not working. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.